Hello everyone, welcome to Follow Selected Fastener. This is Jenny. Today I will show you the variety of hex head self-drilling screw. In terms of appearance, we can do different surface treatments. This is white zinc plated. This is yellow zinc plated. This is Ruspert. The salt spray test can reach more than 1,000 hours. It is a very good anti-corrosion material. The head can be painted. For example, we have made different colors and threads are different. This is full thread and this is half thread. This is a special treatment, leaving a blank space in the middle without thread. This is slotted in the middle. The tail will also be distinguished. The most common ones are the number 2 and number 3 tails, and number 4 and number 5 tails can also be used, which looks longer. Today, I will first make a distinction for you from the appearance. Next, we will bring you more explanations. See you next time.